Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube devlog. If you watched my last video, you know that I started doing design work with CSS and HTML. I had such a good time doing it, I decided to continue with JavaScript prototype for the game. Even if the game might not be published as a web page, building a prototype in JavaScript will be fun. Who knows, if it works out, it's possible to turn it into an Electron app or something similar. When doing development, I like to start out by making sure the script files are loaded. What better way to do that than with a classic hello world call? It's easy to write the wrong file name or path, so let's make sure the files are loading. Not sure what design pattern I want to follow, so I'm starting off with an array and outputting to console. JavaScript is fun and sometimes strange language that has to be very creative with the code. Breaking up the game and the engine into multiple files is something that can be really useful. In the future, if I want to reuse the code for other games, I don't need to change the engine. A big problem for me is to decide how the game should talk to the engine, so keeping the code separate helps. Much of the game mechanics are dependent on history, so it will be a crucial part of the engine. Variables are set and unset with history, so being easy to debug will be important when doing the story and layout. The browser's own zoom function is a great helper when working with pixel art. But to make it a bit easier to check different scales, a zoom function is needed in the engine. Maybe not the right way, but for now transform and scale will do the work. Getting this deep into the engine, I start to lose track of function names and what they do. So to make it easier to remember function names, I decided to name my function similar to RenPy. I'm a big fan of the RenPy engine. It's a great engine for making visual novels, and there is lots of code and examples out there for free. Reading the RenPy documentation also gives hint to what functions might be needed in the future. This coding session ended with getting lots of messy JavaScript working. Next time I will clean up and try to start documenting the code. So thanks for watching and have a great day.